Right, so I got my pre-commit running. Interestingly, it's actually overfire. I'm not sure why, but it's actually good to see that. Code will be cleaner in. I will definitely fix this later in the future. So, interesting part. I will actually out my resource here. Will run the plan, but before I run the plan, I need to my. So, we do in. Okay, it's failing. What is map? I think. So here is done black for me now. Right now the video is actually consuming time. Okay, so I mean, some confusion between. Okay, so lag for me now. For the first time, I try to make it better by remove some of the so you guys can watch the content a bit full. Yeah, I'm not gonna time my videos, but in the future. So cut the video actually. Anyway, let's just things like that. Now we have a list of object and we have the core and socket. But why is failing? As for now. So let me check the arrow again. Okay. Okay, I need to. Hello guys. Yeah, it's crazy to see that. Okay, good to know. It's crazy to see that it's failing. But I fixed this, so let me try it again. It, it will error. It will occasionally have some kind of error, but we have to deal with that anyways. So it is the load balancers. What the hell? So etcd they don't have any kind of cars. What the hell? Let me try to reduce the number of objects we need to have here for a second. Oh, wait a bit. Yeah, I think the storage need to be changed. Yeah, the storage. Just thinking about that twice. So if this is not there, right? I mean, if this is not there, we definitely want to merge two of these. Not merge, but more like the concat. And I mean, yeah, I mean, if the if storage is not provided, right? We need to do another lookup here. So the core is required. What the hell? What the hell? Why is it required? I mean, the core is definitely here. You know, it's a list of objects, right? So this is a map. I know it's a map. This is another map. This is object. In this object, we have socket. We have cars. Core is here. Let's just check this a bit. Sweet car. Yeah. So if I look up the text, if it's not there, then so it's a VM config text, and it is different to know. Else, it will be just one disk, local VM. Size will be we have construction complete dot storage. No, you know what? Let's just make it an optional object instead. Yeah. So it will be text size storage, disk name, string. So yeah, I mean the next second parameter will be definitely VM group dot disk. So what we have in here? So we have the storage. So we have disk name. No, not just name, just name and size. Oh, it has to be a list of object. So it must has a storage and okay. No, it's just name and size. Name and size. So name will be local MVM. Size will be 10. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Apply for our over this guy. So actually, if you look at the masternode group here and then worknode group here, it can definitely be split out. So it can be a lot more simple, I would say. So let's just split it out anyway. I try to optimize this thing, you know, it's an art. It's really fun to do. I'm not rusting for anything. I actually fucking rusting. I really want it to prove that it works. I was actually planning to play some CSGO games, so now after this, it's really balance myself out. So yeah, I'm just trying to push myself a bit here in this case. It will really strong mental health. So yeah, I mean, first the storage here is similar to one another. 350, right? And here we have the master group. We have another. Okay, you know what? Let me just copy the whole things out. It should not work to keep it here. Yeah, let's just paste it elsewhere. So what I have to do today is now we have the lychee. Okay, we forgot apple, so we need to move this guy out of the way. And we have the apple. So you see there's some kind of duplication here, so I think that this is not necessary anymore. We can just remove it away, and instead you can just declare the same thing like this one, really similar to the master node nourishment. Okay, you need to change this name. CPU socket, CPU core, and you have the storage. Local LVM instead. Yeah, local LVM, all the way through. Yep. And now if the magic should be happening. I mean, in this case, we have two volume, right? Local LVM and local LVM2. But we all, yeah, no, sorry, we only have one. Now, you know what? We actually want to split it into two. Okay, this is actually changing my whole structure. I mean, you know, it should be a map, and then in that map you have a size, we have size here. So but you know what, just keep it simple. Size 50, so here size 10, and here will be here will be size differently. It should be 100, and because it's all in one partition, in one disk, right, in one storage disk, so I will just keep this like this one, so we can remove this one for now. It actually saves us a lot of the memory. Yeah, the memory could be placed outside. I remove a code all the time. I mean, it's really fun to just see your code disappear, and a lot of things you don't use, but that's how you evaluate, right? You don't think ahead, you just remove it. Yeah. So Mastodon is working. Let's actually talking about the working node now. So I don't really copy, I just copy it and place it out here. And I actually checking it. So I mean the socket keep the same, the memory will be different. What else different is volume. So we definitely have the volume. First we only have one node that has the worker node here, which is the Apple node. So the volume will be definitely different. We have 100, 300, and then we have local LVM too. So yeah, let's do the card splitting. Okay, and then we have forward in the next node. Yeah, that's how you have similar storage from one another. You could make it a bit different in the future. I'm not sure what happened in the future, but I will do it myself. I will try it. I will try it anyways. So for now, just make things work first, and then we can optimize a lot of things later. Yeah, meanwhile, already huge amount of upgrading at the moment, and a lot of things changing. Yeah, so the idea is that we have the same stuff, right? Like the room takes. So now what I actually do is not the VM config disk, but the more like yeah, it's not the VM config disk. Okay, it's confused now. Okay, what the hell, man? Okay, just go with instant, a lot more simple. So we have the VM instant ID. Static IP. Okay. Now it's not about VM group. No way. It's actually, I'm actually talking about the so we have a list of group. We have a list of VM config. And each VM config, I actually have a disk as itself also. So now it's done. Okay, sorry guys, not instant. No, it's actually instant. Yeah. So what I'm actually telling you guys is the virtual machine, right, is actually here. So the load balancer, yeah, things like that. So it should be group config. It definitely is not. It's not wrong. But this name and this size is actually wait the fucking minute. So we actually walk through all of this. No, this is not the disk I'm talking about. It's a storage. So it should be a storage, right? Yeah, it should be a storage. So what I'm telling you is that the storage is actually a list of object, and in that object we have the name and the size. The size will be the number, a list of number. So the storage should be here as well. No different. But one thing is different. Sorry guys, just give me 1 minute. So I have a long break. Let's see what I'm doing here. I think that's good. For storage, I think we have the size here. So that is main different, and obviously storage is different. So what I have to do is, yeah, we get list of object out, and I think we should put some kind of properties here. Yeah, so list of storage out, and each of the storage is has a name and the size, right? So the point is that you need to flatten it down again. So but before you do that, I definitely want to yeah, so the idea is you basically you have to flatten it down, but before you really do that, you need to make an array like this one first, you know, and you for loop again for no, this is a list of object. Size in storage, right? So we have a list of object here. Dot size. So you know, just the size enough. And this in this one you basically have a map, something like this. And this map will be flattened out outside. And obviously flattened out another time. You guess that. You know, let's just remove this for now for simplicity. And so the point that is correct. I mean, is the size correct? Yeah, the size correct. But the storage name is another thing. Yeah, so let's run the plan again. Let's just exit. Plan again. It's really interesting. Okay, basically turn the light on like this. Okay, the light dead outside. It's really weird. But you know what? Just let's just continue. Yeah. So here, so let me just turn on the music a bit. So he said element Eastern. Okay, you know what? Let me just comment out the whole thing first before I continue. I mean, let's just comment out the tfvars first because we don't want yeah, the workers. I just want one of them working first before I continue. So just, you know what, I drop. Anyways, he said the 11 Robertsons, okay, Robertson is not correct. Eastern is required, so where is Eastern? You know what? Let's just create another map. Yeah, guys. So now it's CPU units, okay. You know what? I think we only need one map. Another map here. And here is object. This one is a map, I know, but this is another map, right? And here's object. Okay, Eastern is a map, and then here's another map, and then another map. Let's just reverse this for now. Element storage is required. Oh, okay, so this one is with the storage S. So also the guy. Okay, just okay, I forgot to just save it because yeah, I mean, come on, man, why can't I forget this? Okay, so we have the Eastern. We have the Eastern here. Yeah, okay, we have the map. This is a map itself. That's true. Another map is this one, and another map. Okay, I think I have found one random object here. So we have description is required, but let me see. See the object, which is correct to me at least. But why is a element local source? Okay, we have local source here. And what else? What the hell? Wait a minute. This object. You know what? Let's just comment the whole thing for now. I don't want to be kind of mess up. So. Let's comment the whole thing first. You know, I've tried to make things a bit more easy to debug now by keeping things a bit. Okay, I drink all my water already. Description here already. Let me just go inside. So virtual machine, right? Is a map. I know it's definitely a map. And then inside the map there's multiple node group, which is this local source. I mean, yeah, it's local source, but the point is that let me just think. Okay. Another map, right? Is this the map itself, right, or not? Okay, so now is what you will see. You have the okay. What have I this array? It's wrong. It's not thing I want. You know what? This is not correct. Yeah. So I mean, resource ID. I believe resource ID is this one, right? You have flattened it out. Okay, okay. You know what? Let's just not. You know what? I'll just do what I think is correct. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, the disk is already wrong. You see, this is definitely wrong. You know what? Let's just look it, not look it up. In this case, I actually care about the storage of this guy. So let's just not check anything. Can we just forget this for a second? Flatten map. So what I can do is look through this array, right? each of this value it will contain at least an object. We know that for sure. Let's see what they do. Now what? Let's just look through this guy for a second. This one will be a map indefinitely. This one. Oh my god. You know what? There's one way you can do that. It's by merging the freaking map. It's an IQ test, I think. You know what? So if you follow through of this one, you will get this item. This is as item, right? But how you can? Okay, you know what? Let's just not using any follow in this case. Just directly follow, and you have another algebraic row here. Okay, this one definitely what I asking for. It's actually workable in this. Merge the whole thing, right? Can I finish this shit today? You know, I have to finish this one today. I have to install my EDCP server today. I can't pressure myself a lot. In this case, I mean, just get finished with it. I have to get my EDCP server done, man. Come on. I have to have my server and my HA proxy server done as well. Okay. 3 items in this list. So we can use for in items. And then what next? So this item, this I letter I is equal to this one, right? And we want to merge it. We want to merge it using terraform. So how we can actually achieve it? How we can actually achieve this one? So let's you want to merge it with the next item. So what you can do is do another merge on G in I. No, as I is this one, so G name G. Okay, G will become the whole block of this one. Now you want to constructing it, right? You need to construct it in some way. I'm not sure, but you need to construct it some way. Okay, you know what? Let me just produce some kind of sample right now, just to make it simple. So we have the virtual machine routes here. Go to list. I'm gonna do it, keep it that way. And you have a list of virtual machine routes. And now we can actually do this one. So for name, click in. Okay, let's just run play it out. So what I actually because let's just remove the merge. What I actually think is that if you produce a list of map, again a list of map, and you want to merge all of it, so we have to follow it again. So you know what I want to do is actually look through all this guy again. What the hell? This is actually different. be the key or something like that, but it doesn't matter. I'm not sure why I even need to kill a key, but it's really doesn't. It's really not being a matters. You know, it's not really an issue. Perhaps I would not say it's an issue. And I don't even know why I need to, you know, do such a complex concatenation. Is there a reason for that, or do I just think that's a good thing to do? You know, I'm not sure. You know, I'm not sure at all. So, do I actually need this kind of shit here? I mean, is that necessary? No, right? We don't need that, right? I mean, we can just remove it and change it to something else. So I go like, fuck it, man. And the VR name is definitely a key for the whole thing. I'm not really care. I don't care about the key. Okay, this should be an object. Definitely. Okay, let me just revoke it for now. Okay, this one. No, yeah, this has to be. So I'm not, you know what, I actually want to create an object, so it's okay. So I think this is definitely the same thing I have above. Yeah, this one is definitely what I'm talking about. You can actually you can reduce it a bit more. So not really the name, but you can create a masterpiece for this one. but it would have in no, not very quiet. No, it would have in when you try to put some kind of attack and things like that. So yeah, just in this config, obviously, it's not contain name. Yeah, let's run a test. I think this is wrong. So I'm not sure if this thing is running on my machine. Yeah, it definitely will cost me some RAM and things like that if I run terraform. I'm not sure, but so we removed the freaking name out, which is really good. Finally, we have something done. Now, let me just open the whole shit out. Yeah, let's open the whole freaking shit out first. And